As promised, I have a video for you guys of the entertainment unit DIY that we did. A few of you have commented saying you want the annual advanced results. I can't do that because I'm pregnant right now. Like, it's just gonna be not accurate to everything else I did because I wasn't pregnant with any of the treatments that I've done. So I'm gonna have to wait till postpartum to do that video. The other thing is I filmed this so long ago, so I actually have my hair like bleached and just like drying, air drying. I literally just have like yellow and orange hair in this video, so just like ignore that. As you can see, our wall is black behind me. I have a video coming for that as well. She still needs one more coat, and then from there we're gonna do the slat wall. So yeah, just stay tuned for all of those things. I just started my third trimester. I just have a lot of stuff going on, but like the biggest thing is my nesting instinct. And I think that's why I'm like, I must finish as many projects as I can. So I've been doing the projects, but also filming everything and editing. And I'm like, I want to get everything done. Yeah, there's a lot of things in the works right now. If you really enjoy the DIYs, just let me know in the comments. Give it a thumbs up. I just like to know which videos to continue moving forward. So I've done a lot of the postpartum body playlist because those videos are super popular. Top 10 baby names, those are super popular. So if you want me to continue doing the DIYs, just let me know. Okay, so first things first, we're doing this in the garage with the garage open for ventilation. We have collapsed moving boxes that we have on the ground to prevent paint spills on the garage floor. Not that it really matters in the garage. Next thing, we're taping the glass of the entertainment unit, and I have taken all the handles out of the unit as well. We are going to paint those gold. So we have our painting trays ready to go. I put saran wrap on the painting trays so that we can reuse them. And instead of cleaning out the paint trays, we just get rid of the saran wrap. I have my paint rollers ready to go, and we are using the Bare Low Luster Porch and Patio paint. I chose this because it won't be too shiny and it'll be super durable. We are getting it in the Bare Color Carbon. This is also the paint color we will be using for the accent wall. This unit is kind of made out of a laminate with texture, so we didn't sand this down before we did anything. We just went right in with the top coat. It's also an older unit. My mom had it for a few years before she gave it to us, and then we've been using it for 2 years. So, you know, it's just a DIY that we want for this place, and if it didn't turn out, we weren't going to be that upset about it, but it ended up looking really good. So we're just doing the first coat. Again, we did not prep this unit at all, and the paint adhered really well and is still adhering really well. Now I'm just spray painting the handles. I did 3 coats on the handles, and I'm using Rust-Oleum Universal Advanced Formula Metallic Paint and Primer in 1, and it's in pure gold. We did 2 coats of the paint. It took about an hour and a half for the first coat to dry, and then we put the second coat on, and we just did the handles like in between. So forgive me because I did not take a before video, but this is a before video from a long time ago in Oshawa when we were living there. And so this is what it looked like before. It was gray with bronze handles, and this is what it looks like after. We absolutely love it, and it matches everything. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!